Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your listing titles on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after you go to the marketplace, you will need to go to the selling portal. You click on selling and here we will find all your listings. After that, you will need to click on this 3 points action button. You click on it and here we will find edit listing. You click on edit listing and now we will be able to change all these listing information, including the title. So here we will find the title and you can add other you can change the title. So basically I just added 2 exclamation mark. We go click and update to save the changes, and here we will find that the title has been changed successfully. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.